Hey guys, I'm Tia Buplay. So welcome back to our channel, and as usual in this video I'll be sharing with you the recent performance of the major indices including the US and also the Malaysia market, and of course I'll be analyze two counters in this video using technical analysis. And if you're watching my video for the first time, actually in this channel we are focusing on the chart reading. We analyze the chart based on the technical analysis because we believe the chart is the best insider. Yeah, so if you know how to read the chart, then it will tell you the signal hidden behind the chart. All right, so if you haven't watched our previous analysis on the penta and also lb aluminum, yeah, you can click into our channel to watch the previous video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our next videos. Yeah, all right. So without further ado, let's get into the chart for today. So firstly, let's start with the chart of Dow Jones. Yeah. So you can see that the formation of Dow Jones is not a nice formation so far because yesterday it has actually broken the support of previous low. Yeah. You can see the red line, which is the previous support, which is tested for the once and twice, third and fourth time. Yeah. So yesterday it's unable to support it and close at the low positions, and so far yet now in these trading hours we are yet to see any rebound signal yet. Yeah, so it's basically not a good signal over here because basically these bearish rally of Dow Jones and also other indices in the US market are basically due to the tension between the Russia and the Ukraine, yeah, which is yet to settle down, and it has actually dragged the chart of the all the major indices, yeah, including the S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq as well. So this tension between Russia and Ukraine has actually worrying the investors worldwide for more than a week. Yeah, so that you can see most of the major indices are not performing well, and then the price of the US oil, the crude oil, is still bullish right now. Although it's a bit topish signal over here, but then it can still be considered as a bullish trend. Yeah, so of course, what I can say is the price of the crude oil is rather high for now. So then, at this stage, I not recommend investors or traders to trade on the oil and gas counters or the futures of crude oil. Yeah, because the tension between the countries can get. I mean, it can just changes overnight. Yeah, so it's very high risk for you to trade any related counters of oil and gas right now. All right. Okay, so after looking at this, mm, let's get into the chart of the KLCI, our Malaysia market index. Yeah. So today we can see a rebound signal for KLCI after the index tested the support of 1570 yesterday. So today you can see the rebound signal over here, and it's sustained above the MA10, which is a good reversal signal. Yeah, so most probably if next 1 to 2 days if able to supported above the line of MA10, then I think it will challenge the line of it will challenge the resistance of the 1006 for another times. Yeah, so it might continue the bullish rally for now. Okay, but then if we review back the performance of the Malaysian market today, most of the sectors having some um, a rebound signal after profit taking for 2 to 3 days. But then one of the sectors that grabbed the biggest attention for today is technologies index. Yeah, our technology sector. So I've received some messages today where they're asking me that is it a time for us to get into the technology culture? For me, the answer is definitely no. Yeah, because there's a simple and direct answer, because you can see that the chart of the technology index is now on a downtrend. Yeah, an obvious downtrend over here. So we don't catch or we don't enter into any downtrend chart because we don't know where's the bottom in the downtrend. Yeah, the definition of downtrend chart is the low can always be lower. Yeah, so that's the principle of downtrend culture. So you can see that after this huge sell down of technology index over here is trying to make a rebound, but then is unable to break the resistance of moving average line. Yeah, so once again, after the few days of sell down, is trying to rebound, which is very normal. Yeah, it's just technical rebound to kick in. So it's better and safer for you to wait for the trend reversal to be confirmed. Only then it will be lower risk for you to enter into the technology counters. Yeah. So far we can't see any strong rebound or any strong reversal signal yet. So just keep monitoring. Yeah, keep monitoring and wait for a signal to appear. Yeah. So far it's definitely for now it's a very high risk for you to get into the counters of technology sector. Okay. All right. So after looking at this, we get into the counters for today. Yeah. So the first counter that I'm going to share with you is KGB. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So looking at the chart of KGB, KGB is one of the counters that it's been the favorite for traders for the last 2 years. Yeah. But then you can see the trend is actually form a trend reversal, a bearish reversal over here. Yeah, after the MA has performed a death cross on last month. Yeah, so that you can see that the downtrend started to appear. Yeah, downtrend started to appear, and then over here, we can see that over here. Yeah, it's trying to rebound, but then it's failed to break the resistance of moving average as well. So most probably it will continue the downtrend and find another support. Yeah. So you can see the previous support is around here, around this level. Okay. So you can see that the the price is supported for once over here, but then this round is unable to support and break. Yeah, for once and twice over here. Okay, so most probably the downtrend will continue to dive. So for those who are still holding this counter, if I'm holding this counter, most probably I will be doing counter shifting because the chart or the formation is already not nice. Yeah, it's already a downtrend. So so far we are yet to see any signal of rebound or any signal of bottoming yet. Yeah, so it's definitely not worth. If you want to make a new entry, it's not worth for you to do so. Yeah, because as I mentioned just now, in a downtrend channel, in a downtrend counter, we don't guess the bottom, yeah, because the low can always be lower, yeah. So that's my simple review on this counter of a KGB. All right. Okay. So after analyze the chart of KGB, let's look at the chart of another counter for today, which is the chart of PUNCAK. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this counter of Punjab is kind of interesting. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because it's one of the counter that's related to the recent theme that is performing quite well, which is the theme of the building material. Yeah, so I can show you a few counters like Denko. Yeah, Denko, which is started with rally, and another one is Angtech. Yeah, okay. So these two counters are related to the theme of building material. So Puncha is also related. So the chart has shown us some signals so far. Yeah, you can see that the chart of Puncha has already bottoming firstly. Yeah, it has bottoming firstly. Over here is a downtrend, and then you can see the bottom over here. Okay, the bottom over here, and then over here, and then this is the higher low. Okay, so this is a higher low. So you can see the higher low is formed. That's the first thing. Yeah, the higher low is formed, and then the higher high is formed as well. Yeah, the higher high is formed. So basically the reversal is not so strong, it's not a strong reversal, but then it's a steady reversal. So I can see this at a quite good trading opportunities. Yeah, because the risk is kind of low right now, because as of today's closing price 34 cents, and the previous bottom is just on 31 cents, so the risk is relatively lower. Yeah, so and another thing is you can see the moving average, yeah, has started to perform golden cross, which is a good sign. So I foresee that this counter puncha might pick up, yeah, the theme of the building material, and it might have a round of bullish rally to kicks in. Yeah, So yeah, so that's my simple review on this PUNCAK Niaga holdings. Okay. All right, so let me conclude what I've shared with you in this video. Firstly, I've shared with you the recent performance of the US index, yeah, which is being pressured by the tensions of the tension between the Ukraine and also the Russia. And then we look at the chart of which chart we look at? Yeah, we're looking at the chart of crude oil. Yeah, I've been sharing with you my review on the crude oil chart, which is a bit topish, and please don't simply open a new positions, yeah, because the things can just turn around anytime. And then we're looking back into the Malaysian market, which is the KLCM market, is have a rebound today, and the overall the formation is still nice. And another thing is the technology sector is on a severe downtrend, and don't simply get in until it finds a new bottom or a strong bottom, or until it has performed a reversal signal. Yeah. Alright, so when it comes to the individual counter for today, the first counter is a bearish chart, which is the KGB. Another one is this chart, yeah, it's a bullish and potential trading opportunities, which is Puncak Niaga, yeah. Alright, so lastly, if you like our content in this video, please don't forget to like and share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next video. Alright, so I'm TA Bull Play. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.